Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French cooking terms and names of French dishes and food names, so make sure to stay tuned for this. How do you say it? For reference, in French, in France it is said as croque-monsieur, 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 a dish that was invented in a brasserie in Paris, France. In English, it is generally said as croque-monsieur, croque-monsieur from French, croque-monsieur. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting French food names and food names from around the world whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.